Now is the time to make changes for the season to support your body for an easy transition into winter. The trees are letting go of their leaves, and it's time now for us to let go of what's not serving us or what we no longer need. Hi, I'm Robin Nielsen, CEO and founder of Natural Hormone Solution. You know, my beautiful team and I just returned from our lovely client retreat at my home in San José del Cabo, Mexico. We let go of a lot during the Cleanse and Restore retreat. We made 3 meals a day using cleansing foods like cabbage, beets, broccoli, ginger, garlic, and cilantro to help our bodies release toxins. We improvised in the kitchen using our taste buds rather than recipes. I think recipes are so great for inspiration, but it's really the best to use what you have on hand or what you can get in season in your area this time of year. We made pesto with basil, garlic, pine nuts, olive oil, lemon juice, and sea salt. You can substitute basil for cilantro or parsley or carrot tops or whatever you have on hand. We made hummus with garbanzo beans, lemon, garlic, tahini, olive oil, and herba mare, which is sea salt with lots of herbs in it. You can also substitute the garbanzo beans with walnuts, for instance. We made tabbouleh with quinoa, lemon juice, cucumber, parsley, mint, scallions, salt, pepper, and olive oil. So cleansing. We dry brushed our skin to improve lymphatic drainage. We put a castor oil pack on our livers every day. We made a sage and rosemary infused skin salt scrub. Unbelievably beautiful. We made a charcoal underarm detox mask that is fantastic for getting rid of bacteria under your arm, under there. And we made a rose clay face mask that is just fantastic for women to help to make our skin so beautiful. We practice daily breath work to release the emotions and thoughts that no longer serve us. But the best part of our time together was eating in community, getting 30 hugs a day, and making lifelong friendships. What are some steps you can take to begin to let go of what you no longer need as this beautiful year begins to wind down? Post right here, sending you so much love. Mwah.